Wait a second. Why use a plastic straw that could harm marine life and cause more pollution when you could use a metal straw that would just minimize the amount of pollution we have and save the turtles? So instead of using this piece of trash, what is it like using a metal straw? Now, my mom ordered some metal straws a few days ago, and they might be in the mail, so we could always check and see if they're there. See, the thing with plastic straws is that it piles up quickly, and the amount of straws you could use in a day could get really high in a really small amount of time. And sometimes it doesn't end up where it's supposed to be. It can end up in the water, hurting things like jellyfish, turtles, other animals, birds, and it also causes pollution, which is bad for our environment, and no one wants that. So that's why metal straws could be a better and happier alternative for animals and us and people in the future. Scissors. We'll find out if these straws are good or bad and if they'll actually be helping us out. Jesus. We have a teal one, a black one, no, a gray one, gray's cool, and a pink one. So here we have a gray final straw, which is the metal straw we're going to be using, and it's a cool color, I like it. We'll be using my drink to see if it actually works out. Oh my God. Really cool packaging. It's small, it can fit in your pocket, so it's portable if you go into a restaurant or something like that. Whoa. And here we have the metal straw. But let me wash it first. So we're here at the sink, and I have my cleaning brush with soap already on it and the straw. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet the straw, and I'm going to stick the brush in the straw on both sides so it can get equally clean. And then you're done cleaning your straw. Before I use this to drink, I'm going to show you how to put it back in its box. So what you're going to want to do is fold it in the middle, and then with these two pieces here, fold it again, and then take your box, put it back in, and then you can take it wherever you go. And then now I can take it out and see how it works if I were to take a drink. The part where I drink from is really soft and it doesn't hurt my teeth, so it's comfortable and easy to use if you're gonna use it to drink. And it doesn't taste like metal because it's not metal. It doesn't taste rubbery, it doesn't have an odd feeling to it, and it's overall comfortable. It can be easily attached to a keyring or a carabiner, so if you're gonna go out with friends, like to have lunch or dinner, you can just pull out your straw and show everyone how awful plastic straws are and the better alternative. You could bring it to the school, summer camps, eating out, the beach. It's simpler and better for the environment. Before the video ends, I'd like to recite a quick quote from the Final Straw Company. Reducing waste is sexy, and here's why. 500 million plastic straws are used in the US every single day. And since they can't be recycled, they end up in the ocean where they hurt cute little sea animals, which is like disgusting. And side note, the box is printed on everything on the box is printed on 100% recycled paper. Duh. And Final Straw is the greatest achievement in sucking technology since like forever. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Once you hit the subscribe button, you'll be notified for when this channel makes different videos of what's it like doing different things. See you next time!